Hope you are all doing fine. So basically I am facing this kind of issue. You may face this kind of issues also. So basically it stays above the gig description of your Fiverr account. So it says basically it is telling you that gig service updater error, please try again later. In case the issue persists, contact us, our support team. So basically it is a fact related, I mean to say the frequently asked question related issue. So how to fix it? You have to go to the frequently asked questions bar, and after going this tab, you can see that it exceed the limitation of amount of facts. Delete this one of the facts, right, just like that, and delete. So basically I'm click on the delete, and this can solve these issues, and it will be removed at once after deleting the fact.